everyone. This is Jared with Hively. This is 5-minute marketing tips. And we are in a series right now going over free marketing tools. And so far we've gone over several, and we're doing this in no particular order. We're looking at different tools. We'll try to cover as many as we can in 5 minutes and explain how they work. So let's just go ahead and dive in. I should have covered these first, but like I said, this is in no particular order. There is a tool that is free that should be the basis. And I should have talked about this initially because it's your main tool, and that is the search engine itself. Google. Google should be your number one research tool if you're looking digitally to try to get your business to show up. So we've been using HVAC company as an example, but let's say there's a lot of kinds of information that you can glean from Google. So we want to try to look at it from a different angle. Looking here, first we can see locally who's competing, who's doing Google local services ads, who are competitors. We can see who's ranking. We can see how their reputation looks in the review situation. We can see who's ranking in the organic search results. Really useful is down here. Google does this part that says related searches. So this is a wonderful place for negative keyword research and also for keyword research. So we can come here and we can see a lot of information about keywords and the kind of things that people are searching for. And then we can also learn a lot by just clicking on some of the search results, right? If so, we just come in here and just say, okay, what is our competitor doing? What does their site look like? What do I need to do different from the competition? What are some negative keywords that I might want to consider? If you just go in and click on some search results and come in and research, like this is at BBB, so I can come in and a lot of times you can find a lot of good negative keywords and things like that. Trusted HVAC. And so if you just go in here and just click around as you're trying to research about your business, let's say you had an air conditioning repair company, or HVAC company. And we've also got these are kinds of questions that people might ask. There's all kinds of customer service type of questions that people ask that are common if you were trying to create a FAQ, an FAQ. So, Google is an incredible tool. Utilize it. Don't underutilize it. Make sure that you go in and just read everything. Go in, look at keywords. When you're trying to think about doing digital marketing, this is what we do. We go in and we just read. We just click on stuff, search, try different keywords, and we just look around when we're taking on a company, even if we've already researched and done that particular niche before successfully. Not every business is the same in every niche, and not every location is the same. Second tool that we're going to talk about today is Google Trends. So this is especially useful if you're thinking about maybe starting a business or just getting some general data. So Google Trends, what it will do is it will tell you in the United States normally is what we're going to be looking for. You can switch countries and sometimes you can get some good data in other countries. But this tells you what is the search kind of like in the different months, HVAC company, and it gives you an idea about, it's very broad, trends. It just gives you some trends. It doesn't give you very specific data or anything like that. The way that this is, to me, useful is really especially as you're researching to start a new business or you're going to do a start, you want to see, are people already interested in this product or service? There's some different things that you can do. You can compare the trends, and look at, how do these compare? What's the interest over time? Well, we see the air conditioning repair has held steady since in the past 12 months, HVAC company too. But if we did something like, let's say that it would be interesting to see something maybe a little more remove, and let's do Blockbuster. Let's do like the past, let's do 2004 to present, and let's see what you see that. So this gives you like long-term data and trends and things like that, which can be useful in many occasions. honestly don't use this a whole lot in our agency at this point but this can be a valuable research tool and can give you some trends and some interesting data. So if you're planning on starting up, this is, doing a startup, or you're in a startup, or this is a useful tool for you as well. Google Trends. Those are two interesting tools. That's it for today. We've definitely exceeded the 5-minute mark. Like, subscribe, catch us on social media, catch us on YouTube, Facebook, etc., LinkedIn. Thanks so much for watching.